media, all our content is there. So if you look at it, even in 2014, marketers are ready to spend almost 60% of marketers are looking at content management as an important aspect of the marketing activity. They realize that managing the content as they move ahead is going to be a challenge, because there's so much of content, so many versions, so many different formats, that unless the content is managed well, it will not be used to serve the customer. So there is a demand for content management. If you look at content, there are 4 trends which are to be noted. One, any content needs to have a focus on quality. Second, there has to be the right metrics to measure the content. But what is interesting to us are the third and the fourth. The third trend is any content that is produced has to work across multiple channels. When we say multiple channels, we are saying tablets, phones, internet, or any further like smart TVs. We don't know. Any channel that comes in future, a content should be able to be played seamlessly. There's no point in having a video that plays only on a tablet but does not play on an internet, or to have an image which can be seen very clearly on a desktop, or that is to a browser, but will not be played on an iPhone or an Android phone. So you want to have content that is agnostic of the channel on which it is to be used. And the fourth is experimenting with content in new mediums. So this is where the storytelling space is getting created. A lot of companies who have content are experimenting with various means of showcasing this content to customers. So let's move ahead and I'll explain this point further. Digital content management has already been there for quite some time. So organizations create content, they publish them, promote them, monitor them, archive them. So this is a cycle, and a cloud-based system is already in place. On the other hand, organizations also are empowering their employees to use new age mobility devices, whether it is tablets, phones. Most of the organizational work is slowly moving towards the mobile devices. But there is, like I said, PowerPoint is still the most preferred tool. There is no single platform which has emerged which can combine the capabilities of the digital content management as well as the capability of the mobile devices. We, along with a few other competitors, we are in the space of storytelling, and we believe that going ahead, this space is kind of going to replace the PowerPoint presentations, because it's an amazing way of collecting all your content and stitching it all together in a way to present to your customers in a way that they are engaged. It can be made interactive. They get engrossed in it, and as a result, you get into a relationship with your customers through this platform. So storytelling is going to be a very important space as we move ahead in the enterprise world. So let us see what customers are expecting from marketing managers and salespeople.